So this pale pink, gorgeous, wear in good health, vintage 60s, 70s trench coat measures 33 in length. It's a mini dress coat. It has a 20 sleeve and a 15 shoulder. I love this label. So delicate and feminine and cute, cute, cute. I love the way it's fitted. I love the cotton, soft, comfy lining and all the little cute details, including these old vintage belt buttons. So adorable. So, of course, it's been tailored to perfection. And here it says, tailored by dedicated craftsmen, machine washable, and 65% Dacron polyester, 35% combed cotton. It's this nice canvasy fabric and this beautiful, crisp, clean cotton lining. And then its cute little vintage label is here. We're in good health. Too cute. Okay, so 19 across the bust, 18.5 across the waist, 33 length, 20 sleeve, and a 15 shoulder. So these are some of the cutest Lily Pulitzer shorts I've ever seen.